Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth looks at the best products out there. Today, we're reviewing the Tulip 17581 dimensional metallic fabric paint, a glow-in-the-dark fabric paint that's making waves in the crafting world. If you love creating unique designs that stand out, especially in the dark, this is the product you need. Tulip's glow-in-the-dark paint is a favorite among DIYers and crafters for its high-quality finish and ease of use. Each pack comes with 6 1.25 fluid-ounce bottles that give you the freedom to create bold, vibrant designs that pop both during the day and after the lights go out. Whether you're working on clothing, accessories, or home decor, this paint will bring your ideas to life. What makes this paint stand out is its unique ability to glow under UV and black light, making it perfect for parties, festivals, or any nighttime event. The formula is non-toxic, ensuring it's safe for everyone to use, even kids and adults who enjoy crafting together. It dries permanently, and you don't have to worry about it cracking or peeling. Plus, it's machine washable, meaning you don't have to stress about your designs fading after a few washes. One of the best features of this paint is its dimensional effect. You can create 3D designs that really stand out on fabric, adding texture and depth to your artwork. The easy squeeze bottles make application a breeze, so whether you're doodling, drawing, or writing, the process is quick and mess-free. Overall, Tulip Dimensional Metallic Fabric Paint is a must-have for anyone looking to add a glowing, eye-catching element to their crafts. With its durable, vibrant, and fun qualities, it's a fantastic choice for projects of all kinds. Stay tuned for more reviews and product insights from Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best in crafting supplies.